Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Chloe. I've had this channel for about 2 years now. Kind of just wanted to start it up again. This week I'm just making sourdough bread. That's probably the most exciting thing that I'm doing. But yeah, if you guys are excited about like sourdough content, I still haven't perfected it, but I will show you guys what I do and how I prep the sourdough and get it going. But yeah, let's get started. So now I just need to schedule some appointments and then run some errands, get everything done for tomorrow, a couple of fun stores, and I'm just prepping for those. A scalpel, but kind of help with taking off the dead skin. It's not highly advised to use something like this. Just consult with your esthetician before doing anything serious because you can really harm the skin. So just consult with your esthetician or go to a dermatologist who specializes in dermaplaning, but this is what I use. I kind of just like to start here. Remove that. The top. So I don't like you do my sideburns just really long, so I don't want it to look like I shaved them off. So I just kind of like remove around them and just keep these because they're part of the natural growth cycle. I'm gonna use this La Roche-Posay purifying foam cleanser, and that's gonna help just, I wouldn't say sanitize, but just kind of like make sure now that I have the right products that are seeping into my skin. So just kind of like rub that all over. I would ideally use a mask, but because I am going out in the sun, I'll make sure I use sunscreen for my face. So I have this nail mucin. I'm almost out, but this is really good. I got a cookie from Starbucks because I have been craving a chocolate chip cookie, and now I'm on my way home. Figure out what I'm going to eat for lunch today. But I just remembered I might have some pasta. I might just make that because I have a sauce already, and I don't know what else to do with the sauce. I don't know what it is about chocolate chip cookies, but they are so good. Good news, found some pasta. Well, I just realized it's from Mexico. But this will do. Sorry, Italy, I love you. Il est très chouette. I love a little bit of French comedy, so I'm watching Call My Agent, or as they say, 10%. I don't know why they call it 10% en français, mais In English, it's called Call My Agent. It's a good show.
I usually will hand make my own pasta, but because my pasta maker broke, I'm not able to. So I guess these pre-made ones will have to do for now. Hey, choo-choo!